Good morning, everybody. I'm Brian Iverson. This is Sauer, and this is your weekly housing fast break. We'll get to the mortgage rates and news in just a moment, but first, here's Shane to tell us what's going on in housing. Good morning, Shane.
Morning, Brian, and thank you. 3 quick points for me today. One thing I do want to talk about is the fact that we saw a little bit of an inventory decrease last week at some of the cities here in the Valley. We are seeing list pricings also kind of plateauing at this point. And lastly, I really wanted to note that we are seeing a lot of list price decreases here in Maricopa County. So great time for that buyer to get in the home that they're looking for. Speaking of that, Brian, how are rates doing today?
Thank you, Shane. The national 30-year fixed rate average today is 7.17. That's up a little bit from the previous week. We are still seeing a little bit of inflationary pressure out there. We did receive the non-farm payroll report, which is the labor statistic when it comes to job creation, and it came in much higher than expected at 272,000 jobs compared to the projected 185. This obviously suggests that the labor market is still a bit too resilient to help us with our inflation problem. And a little bit later this week, we're going to get the latest CPI index as well as the Fed policy statement on that, so stay tuned. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you right back here next week.